Now we're going to make our beer batter. Take 1 egg, and then we're going to put a cup of flour. Take our DDH Simcoe bomb. We're just going to put half a cup of that in there. You can use any beer you want. See, we drank the rest. No need to freak out. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of milk, and let's go ahead and stir up our flour, egg, milk, and beer. Then we're going to take 1 Hidden Valley Ranch packet, stir that in there, and that's where we're going to get some of the ranch flavor from into this beer batter and get that all combined in there. Let's take some more ranch and let's just, give it a second glug. Yep, that's what we do. So get 350-degree oil going. Grab your cheese curds, throw them in the beer batter, throw them in the oil. It just takes a few minutes, then give them a turn, and then let them sit in there for another minute or two, and then they are ready to be pulled out. And then once you pull them out, just give them a little dash of salt. So you see here, we just dredge them into that beer batter and carefully put them into the oil, and now they're done.